So we're getting ready to go to Whips by Wade car show in Atlanta. It's known as the Black SEMA. I'm really interested to see it because the biggest thing about um, big wheel culture car shows is generally that most of them are pretty unorganized. Now I've never been to Wade's show, but I hear his is probably one of the more organized shows. So I'm kind of interested to see how it is. I like a little bit of chaos, but I think this is gonna be super dope. So we're gonna see how that goes. I got young man I'm taking over here with me today. Hopefully he doesn't embarrass me too bad and puts on his rolling museum stuff. Um, but yeah, we're gonna get out there. I'm not taking no cars, man. We got June Fest next week, and as much as I love Wade, I couldn't put it together. I couldn't. It's just too short a time. But we're gonna go out there and support him like we do everybody else that we rock with in the industry. What you want to see today? You don't care? What about you, big fella? What you? Oh, you not going? I keep forgetting that. You staying here?
We gonna go. We get somebody to come to let this red car out.
Get Jason to do it.
He got a key to this building.
He got a key to the back building. It's parking spots. You could. You better hurry up. See, this why we don't ever be on time to the car show. So when y'all ask how we end up late, is because big fella decided at the last minute that he was gonna go, which I want him to go because I don't want to have to ride with Junior over here by myself. We're gonna be talking about all of the Naruto. So we're gonna be talking about all of Naruto.
You out of this camera too famous. You out of this camera.
What up? What?
Camera.
Oh, that's too funny. That's too funny. But nah, we're gonna go down there. We're gonna meet a couple people. This is gonna be a real good precursor for next week because we got, like I said, June Fest next week.
You gonna go too?
Is he going?
All right. Come on, they got to pull out. All right. Damn, I forgot he said he wanted to go.
Who, Jason? Oh yeah, that sucks. What time are they supposed to pick up the car?
2 hours or some shit.
Why don't you get Asia to do it?
It's like shit, could. I know the car stuff.
Or Dre?
We'll get Trey to do it.
He got a key to the C building?
I think so.
Yeah, just put it down to C. The show started 2. It ended 7, so I figured by the time we take 3 laps, we time to come on back to the house.
Beats on the track.
This is my theory on gummy bears. All the gummy bears are the same flavor. They're just different colors. Here you go. That's what I want you to do. I want to test this out. Now down. I would pull 2 gummies the same color. Pull a couple gummies out and tell me if you can figure out what flavor they are.
I'm finna cap like a motherfucker.
I'm like, this is tangerine.
They finally changed the sugar content. So.
Motherfucker, you just looked. What color is that?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That definitely was green, goddammit.
The first one was green. I watched. The second one green. Oh, yellow.
Oh, damn. Oh, you can't tell.
Only thing I can taste is grape. And I'm gonna tell you what's horrible about artificial grape. Artificial grape, it's like they had an artificial grape meeting, right? And they was like, listen, this is what grape gonna taste like in Kool-Aid and candy, because grape don't taste like grapes.
They're like all out popsicles.
Because that's grape. I'm telling you, they had a meeting and they was like, this is what grape tastes like red. Red tastes a certain way. It don't taste like cherry or strawberry. I ain't never had a strawberry or a cherry that tastes like red. I'm telling you.
That's a fact.
People tell you this grape, they got the chemical for that shit.
Hey, They be having numbers to match it, like whatever. Red, number 40 and all that shit.
Grape tastes like Red Bull.
Like,
Same thing. I don't eat grape.
you just fuck 4 grapes up, my boy.
That was amber. That was an amber. This one is emerald. Only one that got a taste is grape. That's it. Oh no, that's not true. So this one was definitely peach.
I ain't never had a peach gummy bear, my boy.
That was it. They got another one in there. Get the peach. Get the peach in there. Guys, this is the type of, I know y'all think when we be on the road, we be talking about transmissions and stuff. We don't be talking about transmissions. We be talking about gummy bears. We be talking about gummy bears. I told you it was a peach. This might be, get the name of them. This might be the first time I ever had a pack of gummy bears where there was a hint of a flavor. I know. You can only get it at Circle K.
It's all a mind thing.
It's a mind thing. You think so, Kerry? I don't know.
If you haven't even thought about it, all it would take for it. How you think about it?
Yeah, now. It's a placebo. It's a placebo. My mind, like, yeah. That's definitely a peach.
Orange when it tastes peach.
Right.
I'm purple when it tastes grape.
Nah, that grape one was great, bro. I'm telling you, it's a grape. You think I'm making this up? Like, I feel like when we go, like, if we go to the deep south, like, if we go to, like, I got some partners from Shorter, and I got a partner from Monrovia. He sit next to the camera, right? When you taste chicken down there, if it's dark meat chicken, it feel like it's more slavery in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, like there's a little bit more struggle in that chicken. Like if you eat chicken from Gary, Indiana, it basically come with a misdemeanor. Everybody know that.
All that chicken come from one parent household.
One parent house. These adopted chickens. Them chickens don't know where they came from. They just
Audi home chicken.
Audi home chicken. So all of that stuff is true. Like if you go to get you some Chick-fil-A chicken, that's like, you know, affluent chicken, 2-parent household chicken.
Father work on the arsenal, mama a nurse.
Private school education. They don't curse. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of chicken I need.
Bro, they be having them Chick-fil-A workers out there with car seats on their damn head in the summertime, some little fans with them hoods on it and shit. Get to it, bro. That's dedication.
Hey, they be so polite too. They be like, "Can I slide your car for you?" You absolutely can. Would you like us to give you a tip, sir? Absolutely. I bet they're gonna start selling them with fortune cookie napkins. Chick-fil-A chicken come with credit tips. Pay off your revolving debt.
That should be so salty, my boy.
Oh boy, that's you know the key to it, right? They soak the chicken in pickle juice. That's a fact.
That shit generic as hell, man.
It's a fact.
Chick-fil-A? Yeah, that's cow.
You know what? You don't have a diverse palate if you think that Chick-fil-A.
Right. He
It-
wants Conoco chicken, goddamn.
Hey, listen,
That shit-
I'm gonna tell you something. I have had some incredible gas station food. There's a gas station, guys, in Cortland, Alabama,
Goddamn.
that has some of the best breakfast I've ever had. I went in there with my buddy Fidel, and the lady had rice on the buffet at the gas station. You've never seen cooked rice, and when you looked at the rice, it was glistening. Like if you ever put sugar on your rice, you could tell that it got a little glisten, like a little gleam to it. Fidel looked at the lady and says, "Is that sugar on that rice?" She said, "Yeah, that's a little sugar on there." He said, "You got diabetes?" He said, "No, I got diabetes." She said, "Well, take a risk." If somebody asks you, "Do you have diabetes before you eat the rice?" You know what time it was.
And the rice was iridescent, goddamn.
And had it. And it was good.
Like sugar rice.
That's exactly what it was. They had pre-sugared it and pre-buttered it. And when you seen it, she had this little part
Oh yeah.
on the bottom of her arm. Oh yeah.
Church mother arm.
Oh, definitely church mama arms.
Very fast, my boy.
Go on, take your nap, big fella. Wade, we on the way to you. Summerfest, Whips by Wade, the Black SEMA, Rolling Museums. We pulling up on you, my boy. We'll be there shortly, expeditiously. If I can get big fella to not fall asleep and do all the navigating. We'll see y'all in a minute though. Holla at me if you see me. I'll talk back. That's gonna be my new shit. All 24. I'll talk back. You know they had the nerve to tell me that I don't be talking to people when people talk to me. Talk to everybody. I feel like I talk to everybody. I don't talk to everybody. I don't. I feel like I talk to people that talk to me.
Oh,
I'm a-
smoke bomb. Get up out of there.
I'm gonna tell you. Well, this what I'm gonna tell you. I be embarrassed, low key, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because like I pride myself in the person as being the person that kind of knows what's going on, and like when people meet me off social media, they pick up the conversation from wherever it was inside my inbox, and I don't remember. He's like, man, it's Chris. I'm like, what's up, Chris? You know what I'm saying? Like I don't really.
Hey, like I'm saying.
Yeah. Like I was telling you, don't remember me? I want the Monte Carlo. I'm like, come on, you remember how many I meet with no panties? Yeah, I can't. It don't be no disrespect to Chris. It just be I don't be remembering. I'm old, bro. I'm gonna do better though. This year I talk back. So talk to me. I'm gonna put that on a t-shirt. I'm getting that made this week.
I talk back.
I talk back. Nah, because then they won't talk to me because they think I'm saying I'm talking back. Like I'm acting bad. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta say, talk to me.
Boy, don't overthink it.
What I need to put on the shirt?
I'll talk back.
I'll talk back. All right, big. 2024 Rolling Museums. We talk back. It don't be me, guys. It be y'all. Oh boy. I'm gonna tell you something that I'm not looking forward to. By my math, it's 90 degrees outside. On this asphalt, it's about to be 110. And then you got the audacity to have old cars. Them jokers are gonna be running hot.
I'm just trying to figure out how many fires we gonna see.
I hope none. We're praying for no fires today. A car show theme, 2024, no fires.
No, well, we 1 for 1.
Yeah. No, we went to 2 car shows.
Yeah,
2 car shows. One fire, 1 car show. Old cars catch on fire, guys. Keep a fire extinguisher in your car. All of them do it. Black SEMA. That's a hashtag too.